What if your bicycle was also your shelter and your adventure partner at the same time? In today's video, we'll be presenting you with the top 13 coolest bike campers that you can actually live in. From lightweight travel pods to revolutionary pedal-powered bike shelters loaded with all sorts of cool features, these mind-blowing inventions revolutionize outdoor living. If you love bikes, camping, and out-of-the-box designs, then you'll absolutely be blown away by these amazing inventions. Number 1. Mody Series Bicycle Caravans. Bicycle camping can now experience some degree of class thanks to the Mody Series Bicycle Caravans designed by the German company Mody. Catering to individuals who desire both comfort and mobility, the Caravans are offered in 3 types, namely Standard, Comfort, and Deluxe. The latter comes with extra features that will enhance the camping experience of its user. These include weatherproof insulations, built-in windows to provide natural lighting, and even solar panels that can be used to charge gadgets while on tour. For an even greater luxury, the Deluxe Caravan is also fitted with lighting facilities. All in all, the Mody series provides the cyclist with an independent lifestyle experience, regardless of whether one tours through the forests of Bavaria or the coastal regions of Portugal. Number 2. The Go Camp by Flevike. The Go Camp, designed by Flevike, is an innovative type of bicycle camper that was created in the Netherlands and is considered one of the pioneers among bicycle camps. This camper features a brilliant design with a unique capability to turn into a large sleeping space, including a ventilated zone, small table, and useful pockets for storing items. The product was intended to make bicycle trips longer and more comfortable for people attending festivals and participating in other outdoor activities. In spite of being very light and easily transported by bicycle, the Go Camp is also durable and stable enough to be used while riding. Number 3. Bicycle Caravan. One of the most popular options among the DIY community that loves to experiment and design unique bicycle camping vehicles is the Bicycle Caravan. In contrast to prefabricated campers, bicycle caravans are self-made creations, built from plywood, aluminum, and other suitable materials by their owners. As the name suggests, they resemble tiny caravan-like structures attached to the bike. They can either be simple sleeping areas designed with portability in mind, or have complex designs featuring kitchenettes, solar panels, storage units, and even collapsible porches. For cycling fans who love experimenting, crafting, and spending time in nature, a bicycle caravan will become an amazing addition to their trips. Number 4. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a product meant for city explorers, providing them with a practical, portable, and lightweight solution for travel and temporary accommodation within bustling metropolitan areas. Designed to be extremely light, its folding nature means that it can easily be dragged behind an ordinary bicycle without any unnecessary load on either vehicle or rider. Once parked, it rapidly changes into a weatherproof shelter suitable for rest and recuperation even when far away from regular camping grounds. Best suited for solo trekkers, this product serves those in need of quick and easy setup as well as freedom of movement. Number 5. Travel Bike Camper by Maxim Dash. Travel Bike Camper, invented by Maxim Dash, is an example of innovative mobile housing that was developed by Maxime Dat, a French designer. This vehicle unites modern style with engineering solutions and allows bike riders to enjoy both traveling and relaxation. Made of such materials as aluminum and wood, this design takes into account both sustainability and good looks. Although it has a small size, the camper features a large bed where an individual can lie comfortably and have some rest after a long journey. The minimalistic design makes the camper less resistant and enables it to move fast along various routes, including intercity and international roads. Number 6. Triton Amphibious Aerial Camper. The Triton Amphibious Camper is another great multifunctional invention that combines 3 vehicles into one. The invention is a Latvian creation that represents the combination of a tricycle, a boat, and a micro camper into one amphibious vehicle powered by electricity. The innovative design allows enjoying the fun of exploring different surfaces on land and in water. Besides the compactness of the model, it comes with a convenient sleeping cabin that can comfortably accommodate 2 people. Another interesting thing about the Triton Amphibious camper is its ability to utilize solar power. Moreover, it comes with a special place for a pet. Number 7. Adventurer by Road Warrior Campers. The Adventurer from Road Warrior Campers is specifically designed for those cyclists who would not let challenging terrains dictate the limits of their adventure. Being designed to cope with harsh terrains and wilderness, the Adventurer is considered one of the most robust bicycle campers available. The model boasts a sturdy construction, including a durable frame and excellent insulation. The inside of the tent provides an optimal solution for storing the mattress, camping gear, as well as solar-powered gadgets. Designed for any weather conditions, the model guarantees warmth in cold weather and ventilation in hot. Although somewhat heavier compared to its minimalistic analogues, the camper demonstrates outstanding robustness, which makes it perfect for dedicated bikepackers. Number 8. Mini-Mate Motorcycle Camper. The Mini-Mate Motorcycle Camper is a convenient camping solution that was first designed for motorcycles. However, it is also effective when paired with e-bikes and pedaled bicycles with higher torque. The lightweight and strong structure built of fiberglass ensures a secure and weather-resistant camping shelter for adventurers on the go. While being compact, the camper easily expands to accommodate its inhabitants by creating a comfy place where people can sleep. In addition, air conditioning is an optional accessory that makes the Mini-Mate comfortable under any climate conditions. Allowing campers to enjoy all the benefits of hardshell camping shelters, the Mini-Mate does not take much space, providing comfort and mobility at once. Number 9. Bicycle Camper Expeditions Trailer. Gentleman's Style and World's Bicycle Camper Expeditions Trailer is an exquisite trailer with a retro design inspired by the traditional look of a vintage micro camper. It has become famous on many social platforms due to its stunning wooden exterior and great interior designs that are both stylish and functional. Made within the series of products under the Gentleman's Style and World range, this trailer provides the cyclists with all the basic features that will make their trips more comfortable and relaxing. In addition, its interior includes a small desk, sleeping space, and proper storage area for cookware. This unique trailer is perfect for creative and adventurous people who wish their mobile homes to reflect their personalities. Number 10. Telescopic Bike Camper Trailer. Telescopic Bike Camper Trailer, referred to under names such as Wandering Space Camper Bike by Wong, is one of the most interesting futuristic approaches towards the mobile housing option of the future. The Telescopic Bike Camper Trailer was developed by a Hong Kong-based artist and activist Wong, who designed this folding bike to turn a regular bicycle into a portable, folding house. Using a telescoping design for the camper makes the latter easy to both use and store. At the same time, it is important to note that the product is entirely functional and includes all the elements necessary to keep it ventilated, such as folding walls and smartly placed compartments. Number 11. Wandering Space Camper Bike. Wandering Space Camper Bike is an unusual combination of art, design, and transport, which was developed by Hong Kong artist and activist Wong. This unusual bicycle is based on the conventional pedal-driven tricycle chassis, but makes cycling more future-oriented. Its unique geometric structure with multiple faces is made of light material and is designed to look like a white spacecraft cabin, thus combining a sci-fi approach with human-powered transport. Moreover, even looking at it conceptually, this camper can actually be used. Namely, the space inside expands into one room, while storage compartments make it possible to accommodate all necessary items. Designed for small streets, this camper operates on the basis of pedal power alone. Number 12. Wide Path Camper. Wide Path Camper is one of the most widely recognized types of bicycle campers due to a good combination of comfort and practicality. As it can unfold into an unexpectedly large living space, it can comfortably fit 2 people together with seats, tables, and a possibility of sleeping on a bed. The Wide Path Camper can be used for bike tours of long duration due to its comfort level resembling a regular house. It is also possible to buy additional solar panels that will allow using some electric devices, such as lights, while camping on a bike. Even though this type of camper is slightly heavier than other campers, which increases the difficulty of going up the hills, most bikers agree that it is totally worth it. Number 13. Leisure Tent Camper. Initially, the leisure tent camper was intended for motorcycling trips. However, due to its lightweight design and practicality, it has gained popularity among cyclists and e-bike owners. Once the camping tent is opened, it turns into a spacious home for two people and provides travelers with an unexpectedly large amount of space for their outdoor adventures. Thanks to its aerodynamic design, it is easy to tow and therefore can be used even with a heavy-duty bike setup. Designed with the consideration of simplicity and convenience, the tent camper becomes recognizable because of its fast-setting ability. It is perfect for minimalist adventurers who do not want to be burdened by extra things. Thanks for tuning in to our countdown of the top 13 insanely cool bike campers that you can really live in. From out-of-the-box design ideas to incredible portable living accommodations, these campers have shown that adventure is everywhere. What was your favorite bike camper from today's list? Share your thoughts in the comments below.